Hello everybody, I hope you guys are all doing very well. So in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how you guys can make $20 every month from Deriv. And in this video, we are going to use a different method, how you guys are going to make that 20 bucks. So what we are going to do here, as you guys can see, I've already opened the 10 index and we are going to open over and under. As you can see over here, you guys can select from here. So after opening this, the duration has to be one tick. I mean, let me show you guys, it goes up to 5 ticks, but you guys have to select one tick. And the last digit prediction, as you guys can see, it starts from 0, then it goes all the way down to number 9. So we are going to select the number 2, and as always we are going to go with the $10. That is going to be our first trade. So as you can see over here, in the previous one, we used to select number, the last digit prediction was 1. So on number 1, the net profit is, as you guys can see over here, it is $2.35, which is around $23 I'm sorry, 23%. Now over here we are going to go with the number 2 prediction. Okay, so on the number 2, what we're going to do here, we have to wait for number 1 or 2 and we will take the trade. Either number 1 or okay, here's the 2 and we have won the first trade. We will wait for number, okay, here's the 1, we have won the second trade. So it has to be either 1 or 2 and we will take the trade. And just in case of, okay, here is 2 and we have won the trade. So guys, just 5 stakes, the 5 trades and you okay, here's 1 and we have lost this one. So in case of loss, the strategy is the same. We will go with the 75 index. The stake is going to be $18 and the barrier offset is going to be $25. So we will wait for the red icon, I'm sorry, the okay, here's the red. When it's gonna break, we will take the trade. 3 4 5, done. Now let's see guys. I think there is something wrong with the internet, but let's see. Okay, so due to the internet fluctuation, we have lost the trade, but you don't need to worry guys, we will recover it right away. So what we are going to do, we are going to take the $45 and we will have to wait for the blue, and when it will break we will take the trade downwards. There is the blue, just got break and we are going to take the trade. I think there is something wrong with the internet, but you guys don't need to worry, you guys can see the balance over here. Okay, so as you guys can see, we have just won the trade. So we have now $13.49. Now we will just go back over here and we will wait for number 1 or 2. So let's see, it's 3 5 7 0 3 9 3 number 1, and we have won the trade. So just one more trade guys and we are done with making our $20 for the day. Just have to wait a bit more until it shows either number 1 or either number 2. Here's the 1 and here we go. So we have just made our $21.65 So this was the today's video. I showed you guys how you guys can make $20 easily by trading on Deriv. So in the further videos, I will share with you guys my number, my email address and everything. I have a proper team and we guys do the daily analysis by looking at the chart and the news and everything. So if you guys need any kind of help in the further videos, once we will have the enough people on our channel, then we will further make the groups where I will give you guys free signals as well, and I will teach you further. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, comment and share the video as well. Thank you so much for watching.